Baby, yeah, riding, yeah. You be like, baby, yes, I know you care.
Come rewind up. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine up. If you loving every night, you make you mad up. Now only you give me love and make me nice up, nice up, nice up. I feel make you mine up. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think I love it every day. Diamond dancing, use my money, I gon' pay. For your love, I gon' pay. It ain't making money,
Alright, hey babes, so it's a Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. We are heading out on the road. We have a birthday link up hangout thing. It's one of my friend's birthday on Saturday, but they're keeping the link up early. Yeah, so I'm just gonna I'm getting ready. Well, y'all saw what I got ready earlier. So that's where I'm headed. Not gonna stay long. It's moving on to 8:30 now. Just gonna show my face, probably like an hour or so, and home time because we are tired. We're wearing silver today. We are wearing fully gray tight stuff. I'll show you guys a full fit. So just trying to hurry up and get ready because we are running late as per usual. But I hope you guys are doing well and all of that. Y'all saw when I did my skincare routine. Y'all, I have a skincare routine like that is so unheard of. But yeah, y'all saw when I steam my face and all that jazz. So we're trying to keep up with that at home maintenance so we can figure it out. I think my face is getting a little light currently, and at the end of the day my face normally gets light because most of the time I'm indoors based on my job. I do go out, you know, but as it relates to being outside in the sun, that's not my jazz. So sometimes my face do look a little bit light, so I'm just watching it to see that it doesn't, you know, light up my face, trying to get rid of these spots. So we're praying and hoping this routine works. Anyways, let's show you guys a full fit and we are gonna head out. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're going very cash today, just biker shorts, top under sneakers. So this is the vibe that we're working with. Y'all, I see I need to go to the gym. Look at the belly, look at the fupa. Oh no. Anyways, yeah, quick fit. I'll see you guys at Jangas.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside.
So it's a Saturday and we have some errands to do, of course. So we gotta go to the supermarket and we gotta pick up some packages. I know, y'all. For the past probably 2 to 3 vlogs back, I've been going to the supermarket and collecting packages. But I mean, that's just how the packages are coming in and just the vibe. We're working with what we have going on right now. So those are what we have to do for today. And the third thing that we have, y'all know it's fall season. And let me tell you, when I log into YouTube and watch these US creators with their cozy fall vlog season, vlog diaries, not vlog diary, fall vlog diaries, a cozy vlog day, I'm like, it's like the fall vlogs, y'all, it gives me a vibe. Like, I love it so much. Any cozy vlog fall thing that I see, I just click on it because it is just such a vibe that, you know, based on where you live, you have different seasons and you can make videos based on that. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all fall vlog are hitting and I love it. So y'all, people who are new to my channel, because I definitely have some new subscribers. I'm from Jamaica, I live in Jamaica, so you know, we're not have season and none of that, but we do divulge in every possible season that exists. So Starbucks, they have their fall vlog. I'm gonna head there today. Now let me say this would be my first time I tried a spice pumpkin coffee. That's what they call it, right? Yeah, see, I don't even know the name. So I'm thinking to try the latte one or the spice pumpkin frappuccino. I want to try one of those. I want one that is sweet though, because I love sweet coffee, which is bad because I have eczema. But when I go there, I'm just gonna ask the girl which one out of the fall vlog coffee is like a little bit more sweet. I like sweet stuff. So we're gonna try that together. So I'm super excited. This is me as a Jamaican. We're north. We're gonna divulge in a little fall, you know, a little fall vibe. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But as I said again, a big up to y'all US creators. Like, I live for the fall season. Alright, so and we know so winter season will come up and I can't wait to watch the snow and all of that. Yeah. Anyway, so let's head out. I'm gonna show you guys the full fit. By the way, did y'all see me trying to divulge the fall thing with mustard? I know it's more like brown and earth tone colors, but I don't have none of that, so we're moving on with the mustard. Anyways, my hand is tired and I need to head out, y'all, because the time is running. So let me show you guys the quick, you know, 1-2 errands fit, and we're gonna head out of here. Yeah, when I come back, I'm definitely gonna clean my mirror. So full fit, just regular white tee and this tights. I think I wore these tights, was it last week or in this week when I had a birthday thing? Yeah, and or sandals. So black sandals, black bag. Yeah, quick errands fit, and we're just adding the little pop of color here. All right, let's head out. Child, it's a little bit too close a park. Guys, honestly, to be honest, I really did not want to leave my house. I am super tired. I never want to leave my house today, but we know we got things to do. Y'all, I went ahead and purchased the thing. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. Hold on, let me pull over. I'm going to be honest, y'all. I told her that I want something with spice, with the spice pumpkin, but I want something sweet. So this isn't the iced latte or the frappuccino. I can't remember what she gave me. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, because I told her I wanted something sweet and she gave me, and oh my god, this is sweet. It is so good. Yeah, honestly, I don't know what it is. I don't even have the tickets. Darn it, I left the ticket, the receipt. But this was a success, and she gave me caramel and yeah, I don't know what else in it, honestly. Oh my god. So attempting this the first time, oh my god. This is so yummy and so sweet. So to be frank, y'all, this is not how I wanted my first tasting to go. I wanted to remember exactly what I ordered and all of that, but it was something that she recommended, so, and I don't remember. Oh my god, why didn't I remember? Anyways, but just know my first pumpkin spice fall drink is a success. It is a success. Just know I'm gonna need some water now, because that shit is sweet, extra sweet, but I love it, y'all. So I am back home after all these errands. Like, I am exhausted. I didn't even get to video anything, but I did, you know, pick up everything that I needed to get done. Packages, supermarket, and I went to buy some other stuff. So I have a lot of things to bring inside. Wait. Yeah, I have a lot of things to bring inside right now. By the way, do you guys like my hat? I knew this is not how I left the house, but I went into a haberdashery to get this. I need a container to pack something in. And then I was walking past and I saw this hat and I was like, nah, this is giving cowgirl luxury. And I was like, yeah. So literally, as I walk out to the store, when I buy it and walk out to the store, this is how I've been looking. This is how I did the rest of my errands. With my hats, glasses, and yeah, it's giving. I love it. It's very cute. They had other colors, like I think it was a khaki color, but I didn't like it. But this color, looking good. All right, I know this quality. Yeah, I'm using the front camera on my phone right now, so this quality is like trash. Anyways, yeah, y'all, I haven't. Let me show you how much I have left of the Starbucks. Yeah, and they only had the medium. This is a medium drink and they didn't have any small. I bought some soup on my way home, and trust me, I'm just gonna unpack my groceries, change off these clothes, turn on Emily in Paris. Oh shit, I finished that, y'all. It's not even Emily in Paris anymore. Name Emily in. I finished Emily. Oh my god, I forgot I finished it last night, so now I'm gonna have to find a new series. You see, this is the problem. I like to watch new series that have like 12 plus episodes ahead, because we're done Emily in like 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks. Yeah, so we're gonna find Netflix, turn on Netflix and drink our soup and find a new series. All right, yo, I'm done for the day. Drink my soup, relax until it's time for show and wind down. That's the vibe, bro. I'm exhausted. Oh, I did stop. I'm not going inside to show you guys. I actually stopped at a store too and bought something. Let's go. Where's the key? We're gonna pack out everything that needs to be done. Yeah, my energy is like very, very low, and I actually need to drink some water, so let me go do that, because that Starbucks that I ordered. We gonna pack out our stuff, so let's go. So we are finished packing out. So what is on the agenda for tomorrow, Sunday, is chicken and pork. I'm gonna do what I did last week, the jerk chicken in the oven. I love that so much. And then we're gonna do some pork. So that's what we have for this morning. I did not buy any rice in the supermarket because I thought I had to. Let's check. All right, so we have rice, so we're good to go. Lucky thing I didn't. So one thing I forgot, I don't have anything to bake the chicken in or to jerk the chicken in. So I may have to the supermarket in the morning. Like, you know, I remembered on my way home, but y'all, I was so exhausted. I was like, yeah, that's not happening. I'm not doing any stop. I'm not doing no more stops. So I'm gonna put this down to thaw. The chicken is already thawed because I've been under it. I went to the supermarket for a while, and it's, yeah, things are normally not that crazy frozen in the supermarket, but this one has been in my freezer since I think last week. So we're gonna let this thaw out, and we're gonna season tonight. I'm gonna soak my peas from now. Yeah, that's how we do. We prep for something, you know. So let's do that now. Alright, so let's go to Netflix and see what's up because I need to figure out what I'm gonna watch. So let's choose something together. I can't believe I finished Emily in Paris already. I already watched Bridgerton. What is... Wait, this thing is not moving. Okay, it's moving now. So I'm gonna see this Geek Girl. Let's see what it's about. So y'all, we tried the Geek Girl and it's just not our type of speed. This is girl, she's a geek, yeah. High school, she got a modeling contract, yada yada yada. I'm not in that vibe. So I actually turned it off and went to show and get ready. So you see I pulled up my hair and some people came up during the interim and it's like 2 hours later. So the next best thing to watch is Twilight. Why not? I had a pumpkin spice today, so why not? So I am gonna watch Twilight right now and I was searching for it on Netflix and you know they on Netflix some more. Why Netflix took it off? Like how comes? How comes? Like how can you not? How can you take off Twilight off Netflix? Like rude. Anyways, wait, was it on Netflix? I think it was on Netflix because the last time I watched it, it was on Netflix, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna find our website that we normally watch movies. That website is not the best and it may buffer. So hopefully you don't get no buffer tonight and we can just, you know, relax and cozy and watch Twilight on this Saturday night until it's bedtime. Yep.
I would miss Phoenix. I miss the heat. And the next day, another notion.